Is Mr. Tappert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble your counterweight. This will be a two-part video actually. So like always, you want to bring in your parts. I'm going to bring in my counterweight. Oh, I'm looking at the completely wrong thing. Yours is going to be under your H drive in your catapult or your trebuchet folder, hopefully. Bring my counterweight in, and then I need the, let's see, let me close my counterweight, and then I want to choose some of my other parts here. You can hold down the control button to choose multiple things. So I have this shorter steel rod, and then this mid-length one, and then I have my two boards that go down to the counterweight. I call them counterweight connector. I'm going to bring all of these in and do a right click OK. I need to bring in another connector, so I'll go in here again and place it. All right, now I want to use my constraint tool, the insert one, to put that steel rod through. So my shorter one is going to go through right here. Now, if you could do the math if you want, or just look at it here from this angle and then figure out your offset. Okay, so it's not positive, it's negative. That's pretty centered. That looks pretty good. Not perfect, but good enough. Okay, so now what you want to do is put these connectors on there. Use that insert button once again, and I'm going to touch this circle, and I want that circle to go up against that circle. Hit apply, and then I'm going to do the same thing with that other connector. Put it on there and hit apply. And then the trick, this is tricky. Sometimes this has worked for me, sometimes it hasn't. Let's see if it'll work this time. I'm going to do a flush to keep these boards so they move together. Oh, it worked. So now when you test this out, you'll see that these move together like they should. In the next video, I'll show you how to attach your counterweight onto here. Thanks. Let me know if you have any more questions.